Hello everybody, and welcome to LMT Machinery. If you have any questions on any of the machines we have on our website, please give us a call at 319-239-7702. Our email address is info@lmtmachinery.com. You can catch our website at lmtmachinery.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Tannewitz 24-inch bandsaw. These little small ones don't come up very often, so I nabbed this one up. It's pretty clean, has been repainted. I did not repaint it. Take a walk around. It's 220 volt, 3-phase. The original paper document on there. 13-foot 7-inch blade length. Carter guides. Got a 4-inch dust port out the bottom. This is for your blade tracking, your up and down for your entire upper carriage, your up and down for the guides, powered by a 2-horsepower motor, direct drive. We'll turn her on here, see her run. Machine does have 24 inches of throat, about 10 inches of height. Again, if you have any questions on this machine or any of the machines, give us a call, 319-239-7702. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for visiting us here at LMT Machinery, and have a wonderful day.